Can you believe these pyramids, standing for over 4,500 years, still baffle scientists today? In the heart of Giza Desert stands humanity's greatest mystery. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the three, a witness to the brilliance of ancient Egyptians. Its original height was 146 meters, taller than most buildings of its time. The big question: how were over 2 million stones transported without modern machines? Each stone weighs between 2 and 70 tons, requiring tremendous effort. The pyramids are more than tombs. They are temples and engineering marvels. Next to them stands the silent Sphinx, guarding these secrets for thousands of years. Its mysterious face without a nose sparks curiosity about its true story. The pyramids are designed to align perfectly with the sun and stars. Their orientation to the north deviates by less than half a degree, as if drawn on Earth itself. Erosion and time haven't erased their grandeur, they only add to their mystery. Construction was highly organized with skilled workers, not slaves, as often believed. They lived organized lives, receiving food and wages for their hard work. Inside the pyramid, secret passages and chambers hide the pharaoh's secrets. The king's chamber, the largest, contains an empty sarcophagus, raising questions. Every entrance and stone was designed with extreme care. The wall inscriptions tell the story of a magnificent civilization. The pyramids are not just stones. They symbolize human ambition and eternity. Even the surrounding environment was chosen to complement the scene. The Great Pyramid contains millions of stones arranged perfectly. Imagine a single stone weighs as much as 10 small cars. Construction methods relied on wooden ramps and sledges. Their alignment with the stars was intentional, combining science and art. At night, they exude mystery, guarding the secrets of time. Workers led organized lives with housing and basic health care. The three pyramids reflect chronological order and engineering development. The angles are astonishing, each side nearly perfect. The polished stones reflect light in a mesmerizing way. Every new discovery adds another layer to the ancient mystery. Not all side passages have been opened, some secrets remain hidden. Their simple tools were enough to build the greatest pyramid in history. Inside, the scale is breathtaking, showcasing genius design. The Sphinx watches silently, a symbol of mystery and power. The celestial alignment shows deep scientific knowledge. The Queen's chamber is smaller but holds its own secrets. The precision in cutting surpasses expectations of any modern engineer. The sun moves perfectly along the passageways. Every angle is calculated as if sending a message from the past. The night reveals their beauty in a magical way. Even the fog gives them a mythical and mysterious aura. Ancient methods for moving stones astonish anyone who sees them. Worker organization was impeccable with precise division of tasks. Today, the pyramids remain a symbol of human genius and eternity. And the mystery that began thousands of years ago continues to this day.